Hey, it's Caitlin from MomentoStream. Today we're going to show you how to invite guests to join you on screen in your session using MomentoStream. A guest is anyone you want to have in your session as an active participant, essentially anyone on screen with you. So that could be a co-host or a special guest. Once you've created your session, click on these three dots and then select Invite a Guest. This lets you copy a link to send to the guests you want to have in your studio. Now remember, don't share this link publicly with anyone. This link is just for the people that you want to have in your studio. On the free plan, you can have up to 6 people in the studio, including yourself. But on our paid plans, you can have up to 100 people in the studio at a time. Okay, so I copy this link and send it to my guests. Once your guest clicks on the link, they'll see a microphone and camera test page. When everything looks good and they click on the Enter the Studio button, you'll see them backstage in your studio right next to your thumbnail, like this. While backstage, no one will be able to hear them, not even me as the host, but I am the only one who will be able to see them while they are backstage. To hear them, and for everyone else to see them, we have to add them to the stream. Just click on Add to Stream, and they will pop right into your main stage. The second way to invite a guest is by clicking the Invite button from the inside of the studio. This is the same link that we already have from the dashboard. It's just another access point from inside the studio to send to your guests. For the participants on screen, you can switch people in and out or use our conference layout mode. This mode will automatically show people on the screen as they speak, which will give you a very dynamic session flow. We have covered this in another video called Change Your Session or Stream Layout with MomentoStream. You can find it by clicking on the right-hand corner of this video or searching our YouTube channel. One of the greatest features that MomentoStream offers is that your guests don't have to download anything onto their own computer. All they have to do is click on the link you provided. Make sure they're using Chrome and they can enter your studio. It's as easy as that. Your guests can also share their screen. They can share videos, but you as the host will have to add anything they might share to the stream. So now you're ready to invite a guest to your next session. Let us know if you have any questions or need any help by contacting us on our 24/7 live chat at momentostream.com/contact. Thanks for watching and have a great session.